stirring in the tomato paste and also kind of cooking it, frying it a little bit, just like that. And the difference, you'll see the difference when I make the low country red rice, but one of the main differences is the type of rice. So when my father taught me how to make low country red rice, it was with regular long grain rice. However, when I learned from Helen how to make jollof rice, she uses parboiled rice. And it looks a little bit different. You can see the color is a little bit browner, a little bit more golden, and the rice has been boiled a little bit. Whereas the regular long grain rice has not been boiled at all, it's white. So that is parboiled rice, where we're gonna use long grain rice with the low country. So with the low country red rice. So I think that we're pretty good here with our tomato paste, our onions, and all of our seasonings and our peppers. Now I'm gonna add in my chicken stock, like that. Now, again, if you're making goat or beef or what have you, you can use either of those stocks to make your jollof rice flavorful